Hey guys, it's Melissa. I thought I would share a do-it-yourself mini photo slash scrapbook album I created this morning. I'm definitely getting faster at making these. I think obviously practice helps. And I don't know, this is probably the 8th or ninth one I've made now over the last year and a half. And I haven't decorated it yet. This is just the base album with the pages inside, the signatures. And it has 3 signatures. It's a 5x7 album. And it has a 1 1/4 inch spine. And so this one took me just over an hour and a half to assemble from scratch. So that includes all the cutting, scoring, everything for the chipboard, the cardstock, everything. So let's get started. So when we first open it, I've got a pocket. I haven't attached it yet because I want to put down some design paper first before I put this pocket on. But yeah, it's going to have a little pocket here on the inside front cover. Then for page 1, it has a magnetic closure. Sorry, that noise is bothering me. It has a magnetic closure, and again, you can see where I have the magnets stuck down because I haven't matted anything yet. And so then this opens up, and then there'll be a pocket down here. Again, I haven't adhered it yet because I want to, and on this one as well, I want to add a little finger notch and then put some pattern paper down in the background. So but that will close back down, and then this little magnet will keep that closed, and this will hold a 3x4 photo or a journaling card, something like that. And then this page, I believe, let me double check to make sure I did size it correctly. Yeah, this is 4 1/4 by 6 3/4, so it will definitely hold a 4x6 photo without having to cut it down. So, and then I haven't created the inserts yet, but these are pocket pages, so you can put an insert in there. Then on the back side, we have another magnetic closure here that pops up. This pops down. And then this is going to be another little top-loading pocket. But again, I want to notch before I put it down. So, and then again, you can put a 4x6 photo here. This is again the 3x4 size, so you can put photos or journaling cards there. On this side, again, we have a magnetic closure and then a little waterfall. These again will hold 3x4s. And so there are 5 waterfall flaps there, and then just the magnetic closure. And then behind that, we have a pocket here. And again, it's a pocket page, so you can put an insert in there. On the back side, yet again, another 3x4 magnetic closure. And then this is a pocket that is down here on this side. This will probably just be a decorated page. It's, I believe, wide enough you can do a 3x4. Yeah, it's 3 1/4, so you could put 3x4 photos on here as well. And then again, you can put a 4x6 there. On this side, again, a magnetic closure, and it's just a double fold out. This is going to be a belly band where you can tuck things. But again, I haven't adhered that down because I want to put down my pattern paper first before I do that. And then here on the last page, we have a little magnetic closure here as well. And it's like a little journaling book. You could put photos, that sort of thing. And then it's also a magnetic this direction. And this folds down. And I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do on this back cover. I may do an expanding pocket. I haven't decided for sure. Or I may just do like a large side-loading pocket where you could tuck things. So, but I will decide that when I decorate that. But yeah, so that is my latest mini album I've created. Thanks. Bye.